located in Istanbul, Turkey. The building has an eventful history spanning over 1.5 millennia. The original church was built in the 4th century by the son of Constantine the Great, who had founded the new Roman capital there. Having been destroyed and rebuilt several times, the church took its final form in the 6th century. Later, in the 13th century, the Crusaders temporarily converted this great Eastern Orthodox church into a Roman Catholic one. When Constantinople was conquered by the Turks in 1453, Sultan Mehmed II ordered that the building should be changed into a mosque. The 4 minarets were added in the second half of the 16th century. The building functioned as one of the principal mosques of Islam until 1931, when it was closed. After the reforms in the Republic of Turkey, it was reopened as a museum in 1934. This Byzantine-style Orthodox basilica is an architectural masterpiece, and it is often cited as a perfect synthesis of Byzantine architectural elements. The most special feature of the building is the complex dome structure. It was an architectural achievement due to the dimensions of the main dome, 56 meters in height and 31 meters in diameter, and its support system. There are 40 arched windows placed around the base of the dome, which gives the dome the appearance of hovering above the nave. On the western and eastern sides, the arches continue in semi-domes supported by smaller semi-domed exedras. Thus, the impressive size of the building's interior is further expanded. The nave is surrounded by 2 ambulatories, with an arched colonnade on the ground floor and a colonnaded upper gallery. The contrast of the interior and the exterior of the building resulted from precise planning. The interior of the simple, massive building was airy and richly decorated. This great structure, the last architectural achievement of late antiquity and first masterpiece of Byzantine architecture, together with other structures of the historical part of Istanbul, was included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Cultural Sites in 1985.